me once, fool me twice. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too damn good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. You could get replaced, ayy.
What time is it now?
The arts. I guess I can show y'all that part. It got his school on there. That's the agenda. He down there.
How come these aren't even seats?
Program for us this evening, and I'm going to let them begin.
How, salam alaikum, hola, ni hao, hello and welcome to Night of the Arts performance. At this time, ask them please silence your cell phones and refrain from flash photography of respectful performers on stage. We ask you to stay in your seat during the performance. However, emergency arises, please quietly exit in between songs.
This is going to be a little bit of a transition. So at this time, I'm inviting students from Miss Brown's 3rd grade class to quietly come down and join us on stage for Raining Tacos.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, out in the street. Tacos, all you can eat. Lettuce and shells, cheese and meat.
Oh yeah, those 2 buttons. We don't have those. We used to have that. We have the things. We have the things up here, and there's Xbox. There's a button. You had one.
Hey, you guys, turn that back off real fast. Hey, so it is February the 11th. I know I probably haven't picked up this camera in a minute. Y'all probably see footage that I recorded previously before this. I don't know what I'm doing. But today, I just wanted to pick up this camera and record. So that's what we're going to do. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to take y'all along with me for today. And whatever I do, you're going to see. Well, mostly. Because if I'm just sitting here looking crazy like right now, you ain't going to see it. Someir always has to make an appearance.
Wow, that's weird.
You do. This lighting is hitting from the back there, so this probably wasn't a good angle. I'm going in and out of focus. Focus on me. Thank you. Alright, yeah. I probably I'll move this way. See that light back there. Alright.
Releasing more than a full year before the PlayStation 3.
Not seeing anything. It might be different.
So I cut out my heart up in there. I don't know if I should have did that, because otherwise it look like that. It's cute either way. Boom, boom. Then I cut some little what is this, oranges and strawberries up. The strawberries are hearts on this side, just regular slice, and Someir food. And Someir's food right here, strawberries, some oranges. I don't know, he can't have eggs, so.
It's for these ones. And
What?
This one.
Put them on top of the other one. Put one on top of that one.
Okay.
Was it the extra sugar? Someir, you used all that sugar? Huh? No, the bag. Where's the bag at then? SonaJ got this TV blasting, but I'm about to try this popcorn right here. I wasn't doing nothing too much. I was just cleaning up this kitchen, but we about to pop this, and I'm watching that Love After Lockup show, so I'm about to finish watching that, and I hope this tastes good. I wonder is the sauce on the popcorn already? It looks like it. I was doing the dishes too earlier, so that's right there. Ooh.
Oh, I thought you were like that. I'm like. I don't think Dad's even that evil. Maybe you would be. Don't let him become a boss tonight. I was about to say, oh, where's the mom? Leave.
Soon after Henry forced her mother, Catherine, to leave court while Tweety Beme as the new queen bee. From being a lucky to marry and for her years, now to be a vicious and powerful execute his wives and the worst break of history, then you're probably already familiar with the events that transpired.
All right, let me see how it tastes.
Henry had to make some very drastic changes. That is, he had to separate
Are they spicy?
the Catholic Church and
Are they like
start
hot
his own
Cheetos?
new Church of England.
It tastes a little spice. It's like more like a season.
I already ate spice, so I can't eat anymore. I ate too much hot Cheetos.
A major factor that added to Mary's
That's a,
Let me
Her
see
strong
them.
Catholic beliefs held significant meaning for her, and she refused to give them up.
Look, popcorn with hot sauce. Just
try.
without the melting.
She and her ostracized
Wait,
mother.
no.
After all, she'd been shameful for her, and she refused to give them up. Many of the people of England loyally supported Mary, were on her side, and felt sympathy for both she and her ostracized mother. After all, she'd been shamefully brushed aside while being publicly humiliated
You know what,
and
I'm just
disgraced
gonna
by
take
the
that.
harsh neglect and maltreatment of her father. She'd been embarrassingly
I don't
downgraded
taste
from
it. It's like
It's a little bite if you get a red one.
Henry's Mary's new daughter Elizabeth.
I haven't tasted like a
Mary was a shell of what
Oh,
she
this
was
one.
to be, and would
This
have
one's a
to
good one.
as little Elizabeth enjoyed the charms of her old life. It's fair to say that Henry VIII was cold to the daughter.
I thought they were gonna be spicy.
Naturally, Mary would have
I still don't taste anything. Christ Jesus came into the world to save sinners, of whom I am the worst. An undeserved gift. When my friend gave me a gift recently, I was surprised. I didn't think I deserved such a nice present from her. She'd sent it after hearing about some work stress I was experiencing. Not sure I've been putting on myself.
So these are the 2 books that we did today for our daily word. Right here. Yeah. Now I'm about to go over and season my chicken and make some air fryer chicken so I can have this for, I guess, dinner. And I'm just doing something real slight. I don't even have no season sauce, but that's food. But let's go ahead and season this food. So I'm just gonna use some Slap Your Mama and then some accent.
Scary myth number 1, you can survive a 3-story fall if you fall from the roof. Scary myth number 2,
I'm just gonna put some oil on it.
I have to be good enough to check into during thunder at night with busted. That brings us over to scary myth number 1, you can survive a
And I'm just gonna place them up in here.
The last time I heard a 5-year-old was when I was playing a lot of people gameplay. Like, just stop.
Hey, Mommy. Mario and the game just ends. Now switching gears over.
I'm gonna put these in here.
I ran. You did barely.
Sound done. I'm about to go in here, take it out. Well, the rice been done and the chicken been done. I was steaming the broccoli. So let's take a look.
Bro, I have to go way up.
Chicken.
Oh, screenshot.
Rice.
Now you want a train? Now you want.
On my plate, I got the broccoli, the rice, and the chicken. And I put it on this little hard plate. It's good. This is so good.
Okay, so I got paid on the 3rd. Okay, so Busch Gardens, Canva, my insurance, RSN.
Oh my god, it's nighttime and I finally did it. Guys, let's go. We got the Earth bike. What the heck? This thing is nuts. Oh my god. Okay, let's back up carefully. It is going to be daytime soon, dude. That took so freaking long. Let's go.
The food
this thing
is
really
good.
cool.
The food is good.
I have jump on so I can turn the bike around. Yes,
Child.
the flames.
The
This
food
is such a sick bike, dude. I feel like a beast. Oh my god. Okay, so
is
what
good.
the heck?
good morning. Well, it's not morning, it's about to be 1 o'clock. I'm currently about to leave out the door to go take Someir to a little play meet with his classmate. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. They're going to go get ice cream. After that, I'm gonna go to the dollar store and then run and get SonaJ some McDonald's. I'm kind of hungry now, so I'm thinking about stopping to get something to eat. I'll probably go to Popeyes. I'm not sure, since that is like right across the street from the ice cream place. So I'm thinking about doing that. And yeah, we about to go out the store once I put my boots on. And last night I didn't do too much after I was done talking to you guys. I just went to bed early. I think I went to bed before 8 o'clock. And I woke up like at 8. So there's that. I guess that's all. I'm gonna see y'all at the ice cream shop. Is it ice cream shop or ice cream place? Ice cream parlor? I don't know. We'll see you there. All the burger, the fries. They got these popsicles. Oh, that's probably what she making right there with the Takis. That. Look at banana split. What? Cause up here, y'all, it's cute up here. It's pink. And then the little. Excuse me, Someir. And we got the little things around here. That's fun.
Oh, this is the ice cream.
See, I bought before I go quick. Like who next trying to go on my list?
Alright, y'all. So, my voice is going out, y'all. I got strep again. I think I told y'all that. But I'm about to go up here into this Dollar Tree and see if I can find some little cards for the kids. Oh, the sun is not. Okay, see if I find some little cards for these kids, Valentine's, and I need about 3 more things for the girls. And yeah, see if I find something for this teacher. Now I'll probably go get a what is it called? Gift card for this teacher. Yeah, that's about it. Oh, and I want to probably stop over here and get some Popeyes. I don't even eat Popeyes, but for some reason I want it. I don't know if it's because I got this coupon or what, but let's go.
Shush.
Get a wrapper. Let's get the thing.
Oh, can I forgot to say thank you to Abby when she gave me this.
Oh.
So I'm gonna text.
Press power. Sit down. Hey y'all, so it is much later, and I'm coming back from Dollar Tree. When I told y'all, I think I told y'all I was going into Dollar Tree, but yeah, I just went in there and I got little stuff from Valentine's Day. I got these little things. They are these are, what are these? Sparkling ciders. Got 3 of those.
It's finished.
I have some syrup for, okay, go clean up. Kids getting ready for bed. And I got some syrup to make some drinks. And this too. These be good, but it was cold and now I forgot to put it in the refrigerator. It's warm. I went to the liquor store and I got some of this. This be good. I like sipping on this, and I also got some Hennessy. And they was taxing on this Hennessy at the store, but I was not about to ride nowhere else, so yeah, this little bottle. They was charging. Oh, child, girl, what you doing? I done dropped the spoon, the sauce out of the refrigerator. But then I got some of these. I never had these before. Hopefully these good. I'll probably eat one of these tomorrow. And hey, This one will fight. This thing hit me in my face. Someir. Now I got these laughing. I got these champagne glasses right here. He was like, ha ha ha. It's upside. Well, wait. Why would they put this on here like this? Oh, because they were sitting down. So, okay, champagne glasses for Valentine's Day. Oh, one more thing. I got these popcorn things for. We're gonna go to the movie theater soon here. I don't know when, but been a minute since we went to the movie theater, so we need to do that tomorrow. Y'all, did I tell y'all SonaJ? But yeah, SonaJ, he got suspended off the bus, so I gotta take him to school in the morning. Yeah, and then I gotta go turn this package in. I might do that tomorrow. Now I also need to pick up a package at UPS. Go to Target to get some more Valentine's Day. I need 3 more things for the girls in the class. And I also want to see if they got some cards for the kids. Let me see. What else? Oh, the teacher a gift card. And I was going to Target for one more thing. Actually, no, it's not. Tomorrow will actually be the 13th, right? Yeah. Someir, I actually can fill one of his prescriptions on the 13th, so I might try to do that as well. The cream can go on the 13th.
Okay.
And what else? I'm trying to think. And I need to clean up again. This house is like, it never can stay clean. I don't know what they be doing because I promise it be me. It be me as far as paperwork and far as clothes sometimes, but I haven't been getting dressed like that. Dressed up like that. So clothes been good with me. Papers, that's about it. The rest of this be on them.
Clothes.
No, I don't know how, like.
No, with my room.
I just cleaned this kitchen. It's not bad, but it's not good. So, yeah, I'm going to redo this. Like, who had the drill out? Who had batteries on the table? Like, child, who knows at this point? I need to get everything together so I can wash all them clothes that's in the closet downstairs. Y'all don't even want to see that. And your teddy bears down there, too. I need to take that stuff to the laundromat. All them teddy bears that's in the bag that you put in the bag a long time ago, right?
Yeah, I don't care.
You don't want them?
No,
because I can throw them in the garbage, baby. Save me some money.
No, you can sell them.
You don't want them for real?
I do want them.
Dude, because come on, talk now. Say no. Say no. Okay.
That Elmo I want to sell because that's creepy.
So yeah, I don't think Elmo, the soft plush toys in there, not no battery operated ones.
That Elmo used to creep me out.
I'm about to go, y'all. I'm about to push
Wait,
all
no,
of this off. And then, yeah, these lashes, I'm ready to go. I'm not really about to pull them off though, because, hold on, I got to sneeze.
Achoo!
God bless me. But yeah, I'm trying to grow my lashes back and I've been doing good. My lashes popping again. So I'm not about to rip them off.
Why?
You ready for bed? You picked up in there? Put that shoe down. Put that house shoe down. Oh, I gotta show y'all the hair and then I'm signing off.
No.
Yes. I can show you. Hey, Someir, get back. SonaJ, step back. Step forward. Step forward. Okay, turn around. This is SonaJ. This is his head. Just twisted him up real quick. Quit looking like that. Say hi to them.
Okay.
Say how y'all doing.
How y'all doing?
We gotta say my words exactly. Good night. Go brush your teeth up in that bathroom right there.
Good night.
This Someir, y'all. This his head. Right there. He just got twisted. He acting funny towards y'all today.
Because I'm trying to go to bed. Oh, so now all of a sudden you want to go to bed.
You over here snacking and ain't even no food supposed to be down here.
Really? Like, we don't have no food.
Boy, Do you keep that night light plugged in all day, boy? My bill going up. And he keep this light on all day.
Yes, he does. All day, all day.
I know.
I can understand night, but day.
Turn around. We got your back towards us. You know it's gonna be bed bugs up in this bed.
Oh, don't say that.
If you keep eating stuff in here.
I only ate one time.
Yeah, bye.
More than that.
Good morning. Good morning. It is. Why do this light always be horrible behind me? Like the light never could be right. But it is. What is it? Monday the 13th. Did I say that right? Yeah, Monday the 13th. I'm at Target. Y'all see. We about to go up in here. I think I told y'all. We about to go up in here. I think I told y'all yesterday why I'm going up in here. So, I'm not sure if I'm recording here. We'll see if I find something. I'm trying to run in and out though. I'll be home and do some work. So yeah.
That's tougher than steel.
Hey, ooh. Hey y'all, I'm currently at Someir school. It's cold. But I'm currently at Someir school. One thing about Someir, he gonna call me like, girl, where you at? I'm like, boy, I'm coming. It's African American Parent Involvement Day up here. So I'm about to go up here and hang out with him for a couple hours. I gotta be over to get SonaJ at 3 o'clock. It's currently 1:36. Somebody going to recess. I hope it's not his class, because I will be right back up in my car. I'm not staying outside. Okay, let me get up in here. I'll probably record a little. I don't know if I can. But you know me. I'm going to pull this camera out and get some kind of footage. Okay. Here you go to your classroom. You got these little things. What, other people came already?
Yeah. Like,
some little water. Oh, they got the bubblies, but not the pink ones. The girl said the pink ones was good. It is windy and cold out here, but I picked up both of the kids. Now I'm at this what is this, car wash place, cleaning out the car. Cause Someir got it messed up again. I'm gonna have to go get a detail. You about to vacuum it?
I guess, yeah.
Shoot, I'm tired. I just picked up all that stuff.
I can vacuum.
He gonna do a quick vacuum. Then I'm gonna take it to go get detail.
So, even though I didn't do it, guys, but
get a detail. I gotta call. I'm gonna call up there. Oh. Make sure somebody up in there, cause he told me last time come back.
This one, right?
Put it in. Just vacuum the best you can, and they'll do the rest. All of it. Say hi. Getting a car wash now, and then where I'm going home after this. So I'm gonna see y'all at the house, or I might show y'all some footage in here.
What is it like different? I'm coming away, Mom. Say goodbye.
No! Don't take it away!
It's all good.
If I forget
some my glasses in there. It flung off my glasses.
Okay, do it.
Huh?
Do it. Y'all got 12 seconds.
You're taking my song.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, good. I thought that was gonna be it for the game, and I was gonna be so
Hey y'all,
mad.
so you got coming down with you.
Oh, sorry.
Oh God.
Sorry, guys.
I don't like this already.
If you can't see me because I'm sitting down on the floor.
So I got Someir Valentine's Day stuff. I'm gonna bring y'all closer in a minute. But I wanted to get this angle. Girl looking like a little businesswoman. But yeah, y'all see more about this one tomorrow. Set that over there. What is a ring on my desk for? Y'all must have had something up here that's nasty. We got this stuff here. And I need to grab the other stickers and then the other gifts. So I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so I got the other ones. Yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all on in so y'all can see. But yeah. So I got the other stuff right here. I'm gonna go ahead and bring y'all in so y'all can see what I'm about to be doing over here. Just wanted to give you this view. So yeah, see my face before I actually get to work. Alright, so I hope y'all can see that. I'm gonna have to turn this stuff this way. So this is Someir's class list. I highlighted all of the girls' names right here. And then he's going to be taking these cards right here for the boys. And then he actually should be over here helping. He has these for the girls, as well as some of these right here. These are pens, and these are pens. Super cute. And then he has these. Y'all, it's like, what, 18 girls and 9 boys in his class. So, yeah. And then for his teacher, just got her a gift card right here. He's going to take them in this bag right here. I think I showed y'all some of this stuff earlier. I don't know. So, yeah, when I went to Target today, I picked these ones up. And, yeah, envelope for the teacher card. And yeah, basically what I'm going to do is I printed off these little things right here. Just says from Someir. It's going to put it on there. And then these right here for the pens, it just says, is it upside down? Yep, I had a feeling it was. It just says from Someir also. I'm going to put it on the pens and on the cards. And I opened this to see the color of the cards, to see which background match, which sticker match best. So I didn't open them though all the way. So these are cute Yodas.
Oh my God, he's gonna get us killed. Patrick, come on. Walk maybe a little faster.
So it's not obviously 16 boys. It's only 9. So I don't know. Oh, they have some little heart stickers. Oh, these are pretty good quality. Some little Yoda magnets. So that's cute. So Someir, do you want to help?
Yeah, 1 second.
Okay. So I'm just gonna do one so he knows what to do. And I didn't put a name on them because I think that'd be harder for him. You okay? That's SonaJ coughing like that.
Bro, you're freaking.
So basically, I'll show you guys too. I'm gonna peel this off.
The living room, correct? You have to sit in the chair and turn on the TV.
Sorry, I'm hungry.
What?
It's fine.
Stupid. I don't know.
I'm just gonna do this and then you can do. There's no rush. We got to tomorrow to do this. Okay, so.
You know what? I'm taking this.
So it just says from Someir, and then the other side. So I'm gonna finish doing this. First, I'm gonna get this all organized, and then we're gonna finish doing them.
Okay, this should be for.
So Someir, I think you will do better at doing the gray ones, because these ones are kind of harder to do. And I forgot I did not need to make all of them long, because this is not even that long. It's okay.
Gray what?
What, you want one of those? Yes, you can get one of those. So make sure you put this one in yours, or you want to just keep it home so you don't forget. Dang, big booty Judy. Oh man. All right, y'all. I'm back. I'm about to pack up the bag, and I got everything done. Let me show you guys first. So here are the pens. these little furs get everywhere. So here are the pins right here. These are the fur balls. And then here are these ones right here, and they do click. So Someir said it's 5 cents. Here are the what are these called? Little candy markers. Someir tested them out and they work very well.
Yes, they do.
We have those, and these are like little magnets for the boys. And I guess some girls might get some, because Someir said girls can have these too, which is correct. I just know girls be liking girly stuff sometimes. Sometimes they don't. I was like a tomboy, but I still liked it myself. And Someir wrote on the card
wearing those caps
for his teacher. That was cute.
Both of my pins.
I still got to put this in the card thing. Okay.
For morning work. So that says, what's poppin'?
So that is all for right now. We got the stuff packed. The little child can take the stuff to school. And yeah, I should write his name on here probably. But yeah, take this to school and hand out all his little treats. And then tomorrow we'll go ahead and do this. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure you guys are hitting the subscribe, okay? Like, why wouldn't you? Yeah, I'm about to go get me something to drink and probably, I don't know, probably eat some fruits or something.
Same.
Yeah. Oh, I brought cuties. Did you see? Yeah, when I was at Target, I brought a whole bunch of fruits.
You
and
dropped
stuff. I brought
the bag.
What?
On the floor. The cutie bag.
Okay. So, that's just trash. Well, yeah, I put it all right here on my bed. He just blessed me. But, what am I doing? I don't know. You distracting my mind. What? All right, y'all. I'm see y'all.
You know you have school tomorrow? The man from the book's quite the man is very on the table when I got home from school. Oh, you got it for me, right? You prop them.
Hey, so it's Tuesday the 14th. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm not really ready. I just got on this pink little jumpsuit. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready probably later on. Right now, I wanna go ahead and like set up well, not set up, more so prep and kind of pre-set up everything for the dinner that we'll be having. So yeah, hold on, my phone's ringing. Who this is? I'm gonna go ahead and make like some kind of little platter thing. I think this will be cute to use this heart-shaped plate, and these are just the cookie cutters. I'm gonna use those. Hopefully I don't need the cutters for nothing else.
East Coast always in me, Commonwealth, Lil Jon, getting love from my city. Yeah, I roll call for the DMV. In my own lane, you could still ride with me. Yeah.
Lord knows I made mistakes.
You want in, but it's too late.
I don't need your support just to know I'm important.
I will never sell myself short, cause I know you'll see me on the come up. Big girl with big dreams and big drip. Talk is cheap, but please dare me to run up. I'ma put my money where my mouth is. Talk a good game, I'm an alphabet. Even on my worst days, still an alphabet. Standing next to me
little tray almost done. I just gotta add the apples, but I'm gonna wait till it's close to time to put the tray out to add the apples, because y'all know those tend to get brown from the air hitting them. So I'm gonna wait to do that. I don't know why I keep sneezing, but God bless me. So now I'm gonna set this table little area up so that can be ready to go. I gotta get some more like this it. Someir here says, oh, somebody gave him a whole pack of Starburst, period, and stuff. Oh, everybody gave candy. Oh, some people gave some little gifts. Okay, cute. Here he comes. He about to show y'all some.
I'm back. Sorry. Okay. Sorry if it's... So it doesn't say my name because they wrote it and they gave it to the wrong person. And I still need to scratch that off.
Oh, that's cool. Scratch off.
Oh, more people gave it. Annie did the same. And she gave me another one.
We not gonna go through them all though. How was your day?
From Temple to Someir. Oh, what? Oh, yeah, it was great. It was perfect. Oh, someone gave me a pen. Oh, it was Miss O'Neill.
It's the pack of Starburst for me. So now that Someir is here, I'm about to go. Oh yeah, we went to Wendy's to get SonaJ some fries also. But I'm about to go ahead and make the lasagna. Probably not gonna really show too much of that because I really don't feel like it. And then we'll start our little fancy dinner. Would you like some of our fine champagne?
Sure, yes. Why you
Have the champagne right here. This is our house special wine, or champagne, excuse me. I just started here a week ago. So, you know how to pull and then you open. Would you like to pour it or would you like me to do the honors?
You should do the honors.
Yes, sir. What brings you down?
Even though that I can see all this love's hitting me, baby Jesus, talk to me. Photo smoking on my prison, know that I can see all this love is hitting me. Baby Jesus, talk to me. Photo smoking on my I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself.
This is no, you're one that's on tenor. You do like this. I think we should have did last note too.
I know.
Here. A toast. A toast to God.
very much.
Was anyone gonna say a toast to anything? Well, this ain't a wedding.
Okay,
I said a toast to God. A toast is a speech, not a.
What you doing with your stuff?
I ate it.
I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself.
They had for your mother. Very good job of you guys.
Thank you. It got leave off.
Yes, that's just garnish. You don't eat garnish.
Well, I ate it. And
You did?
Yes.
You don't.
What you get?
Yeah, we have been served. I'm gonna take this off because I want to get a picture of my food. So yeah.
Mom, where do you get the things, the lace?
I bought them. How was dinner for you all? How has your meal been?
Good.
Everything's good?
Yes. Yes.
Girl, I'm done. I'm maxed. I'm done. I'm done. I'm maxed.
I ain't got meat.
You ain't got meat, huh?
Is there any other exquisite drinks?
We have dessert.
Sure. Bring that in when we're done.
Okay. Just let me know when you will have your dessert.
Okay.
So now we have our dessert.
You wouldn't eat it.
How's the dessert?
Good. Good.
And these little we have these right here. They're little heart-shaped ice cream sandwiches. Okay, you guys, so we are done with our dinner. We had a good time. We enjoyed ourselves so much. I thank you for watching this vlog. Make sure you go ahead and hit subscribe. And we are just going to go ahead and watch a movie and chill out. We have an hour left until we start getting ready for bed and wind down. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. See you on the next one.
Trying to get you to wake up.